Have you ever shot a handheld video and then when it comes to editing, you'll be like, the shots are just shaky and all? Worry no more, because I'll show you a trick that can help you stabilize your shot. Let's go. In cases where you have a video like this that is not compatible with your sequence settings, instead of scaling it from here, let's undo that. The best way you can just do it is just right click on it and go down to scale to frame size or set to frame size, whichever one works for you. For now, you just click on scale to frame size. So first things first, we're not going to use the whole of this clip, so I'm going to show you one trick that you will find very interesting. All right, so let's say we want our video to start from this point. All right, so this beginning point, instead of picking your razor tool, cut this place and then you delete and do all those steps, to me it's way too long. All right, so if you want your video to start from this place, the best way to trim it from the very beginning is to just hit Q on your keyboard and it's gone. And then let's say we stop at this place and we don't need this other part, we need to take it out as well. What you need to do is to just press W on your keyboard. So let me play back this video so we can see how shaky it is and try to fix that. Alright, so as you can see, this shot is shaky because I used a handheld camera. It was not in a gimbal or something. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our effect panel and then type warp. So under the video effect, you see warp stabilizer. You now pick it up and apply to your clip. Two things are going to happen. It's going to analyze the background and then later on it's going to stabilize your shot. So once you apply that, you just allow Adobe Premiere Pro to do the magic, and now it's stabilizing. So it's done stabilizing. Let's preview this and see how it goes. It's plain, it's smooth. I think it's not bad at all. What if this clip is on slow motion or speed ramp? Our video is back to normal, the way it was. But let's say this clip is now, faster. I apply some speed ramp to it. So whenever you have a fast or a slow video, you cannot apply the stabilizer to it. See, it's not gonna work. So let me show you a trick on how to do that. Real simple. What you need to do is to right click and nest your video. So once you nest your video, you can then now apply your stabilizer. So whether you have a speed ramp video or a slow motion video, and if you want to apply the warp stabilizer, all you need to do is to just nest those clips and then apply your effect. If you find this video helpful, do well to just like and subscribe to my channel. Smash that bell icon so that when I post up my new video, you'll be notified.